is about after 2:30 or so on Saturday, January 19th. The snow has been coming down since about 8:30 Friday evening, and it has gone non-stop. It hasn't been overly hard snow, but it has been very consistent. So you can see the parking lot. We've already had snowplows come through on different occasions, but it's not very long before the snow fills up again. At about 9 a.m. or so, we had around 9 inches of snow, and now I think it's probably well over a foot. If we take a look at the cars, you can see just how deeply they're buried in compared to their wheels. The snow's coming up over the bumpers. On the other side, the car in the first spot is really in pretty deep now. A few people came out of this building over here, took a look, and then they went back inside. And that's pretty much the scene from my balcony. Heading outside now to see if I can get through this. I will probably fall off at the end of the road here. You won't be able to see this, but I'm literally walking on the sidewalk, and the snow is pretty much up to my knee. I'm gonna walk down a path here now that was created by a car. Hopefully my video camera will survive this. Coming up on my cars. Okay, I'm going to get really wet. Okay, here's my cars. You can see how much snow is up on either one of them. Maybe I can get some picture comparisons to the last time I was out. Here's the front of my car, the PT Cruiser. You can see the snow is all the way up over it. Hopefully you can hear through the wind. And next to it, the Prius. From this angle, they're pretty much just totally buried.